Your hand. It's a proud moment that we have today. The ma'am has come on our program, the investor ceremony. Class 1 student, please come forward. Investor ceremony. This is the very first ceremony of this academic year 2025-26. Leadership is a process by which a student immediately directs, guides, and influences the work of others in attaining a specified goal. It provides an opportunity to exercise intrapersonal influence on the group member to mobilize and direct their effort. The strong leader is able to inculcate the team spirit. Team spirit cultivates motivation and collaboration behavior among individuals to work for a common goal. The investor ceremony is one of the most momentous moments of a school where we entrust faith and hope in our newly elected school leaders.
Leadership is not about a title or a designation, it is about impact, influence, and inspiration. It is rightly said, leaders are not born, they are made, and they are made with vision, courage, and service. A warm and respectful welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Rajlakshmi Mishra. She is an advocate in Jharkhand High Court, Ranchi. She is also actively working as a social worker in different regions of Jharkhand. And respected Principal Ma'am, Director Sir, beloved teachers, and our future torch bearers, our newly elected student council members, your presence adds glory and grace to this prestigious event. Let this day become a memory of pride and purpose.
Head teacher, Master Robert sir, and library in charge, Preeti ma'am. Please come for lighting of the lamp.
When the prayers go up, blessings come down. us now surrender our hearts and minds to the divine with a soulful prayer song by our talented choir group, Class 2 students.
Você tá dominado.
May I request David sir to come in front for the prayer? Students, please stand up and join your hands and close your eyes.
आप लोग अपने आंखों को बंद करें। महान जी प्रभु जी, आपको धन्यवाद देते हैं आज के सुंदर दिन के लिए। प्रभु जी, आपने हमारे जीवन में एक नया अवसर दिया है। प्रभु जी, एक नया सूर्य का प्रकाश हम सबके जीवन में दिया, इसलिए प्रभु जी आपका धन्यवाद करते हैं। आज के दिन के लिए धन्यवाद देते हैं परमेश्वर। आपने उन करोड़ों लोगों में से हमें भी एक भाग्यशाली एक अवसर दिया कि आज हम जीवित पाए जाते हैं। प्रभु विशेषकर धन्यवाद देते हैं प्रभु आज के इन्वेस्टिचर प्रोग्राम के लिए। प्रभु जी, पूरे शुरू से लेकर प्रभु अंत तक हर बात की अगुवाई प्रभु आपके हाथ में सौंपते हैं। प्रभु हमारे ऑनरेबल गेस्ट के लिए धन्यवाद करते हैं, मैम के लिए जो अपना कीमती वक्त हमारे लिए दिए, इसलिए प्रभु जी हम आपका भी धन्यवाद करते हैं प्रभु। और शुरू से लेकर हर बातों को प्रभु आपके हाथ में सौंपते हुए इस छोटी सी विनती को उद्धारकर्ता प्रभु यीशु के नाम से मांगते हैं, आमीन।
Now I want to call Jabesin from class 5 for Bible verse reading. Jabesin.
Proverbs 3 verse 5 and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own standing in all your ways. Acknowledge Him and He will make straight your paths. Thank you.
Aksa Fatima, please come in front for the Quran verse reading.
Good morning, everyone. Allah said, "My covenant does not include the wrongdoers. My promise to you that does not include those who do wrong, but otherwise the promise is fulfilled." Thank you.
I want to call Silki Kumari for the Bhagavad Gita reading.
Good morning, everyone. काम, क्रोध, लोभ ये तीनों नरक के द्वार हैं। ये तीनों आत्मा को नष्ट कर देते हैं, इसलिए इन तीनों को त्यागना ही उचित है। तुम क्या लेकर आए थे और क्या लेकर जाओगे? जो तुमको मिला यही मिला, और जो तुमने गंवाया यही मिला। तुम खाली हाथ आए थे और खाली हाथ जाओगे।
Class student for a beautiful folk dance of Goa, the state of India. From class 3 student.
teachers, respected Radhakrishnan ma'am, we are very thankful to you because you have given us your valuable time. You come to a small school and spend little time with us. We are very thankful to you. May God bless you. And also we thankful to our teachers. Thank you for your hard work. The Congress God will help you to do more, and especially we thank you for all the children. And we thank you once again. And last of all, once again we welcome this special occasion, this University of Survey for coming and spending with us. Thank you all.
Now I call class 4 students to come for a song. The tune of the song is All to Jesus I Surrender. Class students, please come.
Trust
one moment, the march past, with discipline in their step and pride in their hearts, here comes the newly elected student leaders of our school. Let us welcome them with a huge round of applause as they march with dignity, honor and purpose.
Our school band, mentored by Robert Swan. Now it's a type of interesting leadership. Leaders are not born, they are made, said by Vince Lombard. अब ये समय होगा कि हमारे मुख्य अतिथि के द्वारा हमारे चुने हुए लीडर्स को सम्मानित किया के द्वारा तो प्लीज मैम कम फॉरवर्ड एंड ऑनर देयर आवर लीडर्स दैट आर इलेक्टेड बाय आवर स्कूल प्लीज मैम लवली मैम यू आल्सो कम Master Ravi Hamron, head boy of our school, please come. Master Ravi Hamron, please come. Angel of this year, Miss Okta Fasima, please come for your honor. Once again, thank you, ma'am. Red House, that is Atmacharian House, mentored by David Sir, Department of Education Ministry. Education Minister Pratik Brejia, Class 3 forward. Class 3 is Pratik Brejia. Now, our principal ma'am. Prachi Srivastav, elected as Deputy Education Minister. Please come forward, Prachi Srivastav, for your honor. Yellow house, that is Pandita Ramabai Saraswati House. Department of Health Ministry. Health and Minister selected Om Munda. Please come, Om Munda, class 4. Pari Chaudhary, class 2, selected as Deputy Health Minister. Please come, Pari Chaudhary, class 2. Greenhouse, that is Jawaharlal Nehru House. Mentor Miss Kobak Kumari Ma'am, Department Agriculture and Water Ministry. Class 2 Saurabh Kumar, elected as Agriculture and Water Minister. Class 2 Saurabh Kumar, please come for your honor. Deputy Agriculture and Water Minister, Class 4 student. Anushka Kumari, please come forward. Anushka Kumari, class 4, elected as Deputy Agriculture and Water Minister. Blue House, that is Mother Teresa House, mentored by Miss Preeti Ma'am, Department Librarian and Science Ministry. Librarian and Law Minister, Class 4 student Javed Singh. Please come. Rosni Kumari, Class 5, elected as Deputy Librarian and Law Minister. Rosni Kumari, please come for your honor. Rosni Kumari, Class 5. Purple House, that is Thara Pentutila Ketu's house. Mentor, Mr. Robert Tutti sir. Vice Mentor, Mrs. Anamika ma'am. Department Agriculture and Musical Band Development. Prince Kumar Mahato, Class 5, elected as Culture and Sport Minister. Class 5, Prince Mahato, please come and get your honor. Prince Mahato, Class 5. Silky Kumari, last head girl of the year. Now she is selected as Deputy Cultural and Sport Minister, Class 5. Please come Silky Kumari to get your honor. it is our opportunity that you come here and give a lots of time and honor our student. Thank you, ma'am. Now it's a time. ये समय होगा ऐसे बच्चों के लिए जिन्होंने पिछले एकेडमिक ईयर्स में अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया है। उनके उन्हें कुछ पोस्ट के लिए उनके स्कूल के टीचर्स के द्वारा सेलेक्ट किया गया है। मैं पहला नाम पढ़ूंगा, ऋतिक कुमार पासवान, elected as head prefect of the school, and I request to Mr. Lovely ma'am to come and get honor of them. Come forward, ma'am. ऋतिक कुमार पासवान, elected as head prefect of the school. Now I call Stuti Kumari of class 2, elected as junior head prefect of this year. Stuti Kumari, class 2, please come and got your reward. In the starting of this academic year, we have conducted a art and craft exam where Alok Kumar Kachak of class 3 had done better performance. So I call Alok Kumar Kachak art and craft attendant. Please come Alok Kumar to get your honor. Faith sign of class 3 student is the student who never speak in Hindi in class in the school. So we reward him as English speaking student captain. Please come. Faith sign of class 3. of the most valuable post, that is discipline and captain. Rudrans Kumar, elected as discipline and captain. Rudrans Divakar, class 3, discipline and captain in charge. One of the most valuable posts of this school. Thank you, man. You can sit on your place. Now, I would like to call director of the school, Evangelist John Jacob sir. Please come and give reward to our leader. Class 5, Radhika Kumari, elected as monitor of the class. Class 5, Radhika Kumari. When this keep going. Subham Kalamali, class 4, please come. He is elected as monitor of the class. Subham Kalamali, please come and get your honor. There are two students are selected as monitor of class 3, Mr. Ansraj and Radhika Kumari. Please, you both come to get your reward. Class monitor Suhani Kumari, please come. Suhani Kumari, class 2. Again, in class 2, two monitors are selected as class monitor, Harsh Mato and Varchasvi Mato. Please come both. Class 1, harsh and virtuously. Class UKG, Subi Pandit and Priyansu Thapa. Class UKG. Class LKG, Lakshman Munda and Devi Kumari, elected as class monitor. You both come. Leaders is not about a title or a designation. It is about impact, influence, and inspiration. It is rightly said, leaders are not born, they are made and they are with vision, courage, and service. Thank you, students.
We are truly honored to have with us today our Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Rajlakshmi Misra, a person of vision and leadership. Ma'am, we request you to please come forward and address our gathering.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am really happy, very blessed to be a part of this festival ceremony here. बहुत ही खुश हूँ छोटे छोटे बच्चों के बीच में आके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप सबों से मिलके इतने सारे आपने प्रोग्राम्स किए डांस गाना उसके लिए भी बहुत बहुत आप सबको थैंक यू बहुत अच्छा लगा सारा प्रोग्राम्स देख के मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन इन बच्चों को जो हमारे लीडर्स उभर कर आए हैं बाकियों को भी निराश नहीं होना है सबको चांस मिलेगा मिलता है और सिंस ये लोग लीडर्स हैं इनको इसलिए खुश नहीं होना है बिकॉज उनके पास एक टैग लग गया है बैच के लिए खाली खुश नहीं हुआ जाता है एज ही वाज राइटली सेइंग कि हमें सेलेक्ट किया गया है तो वी हैव सर्टेन ड्यूटीज टू डू हमको कुछ कुछ काम कर कर दिखाना है हम इलेक्ट हुए हैं दूसरों के लिए, दूसरों के साथ जस्टिस करने के लिए, सही करने के लिए। आपको हर समय सही का साथ देना है, अच्छे से हर फैसले को लेना है, डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करना है स्कूल का, बाकी बच्चों के साथ मिलके काम करना है, यूनिटी के साथ सबको रखना है। ये सारे आपके ड्यूटीज हैं। So you have to be more responsible now. All the leaders that are standing here. और मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी, आप सबों को बहुत बहुत थैंक यू। In fact, I would like to congratulate the entire team of this school who has put in so many effort, इतना आपने effort किया इस प्रोग्राम के लिए, उसके लिए आप लोगों को many many congratulations. Thank you.
With great power comes great responsibility. The moment we have all been waiting for has finally arrived. We are about to witness the oath-taking ceremony. Dear council members, from this day onwards, you are not just individuals. You are the voices, you are the examples, you are the light when others look for direction. I now call upon Principal Ma'am to administer the oath of office to our newly appointed leaders. Council members, Council members, please raise your right hand high as a symbol of your honor and commitment and repeat after Principal Ma'am.
अभी जब हम इसको बताएंगे तो अपना अपना नाम बोलना है, ठीक है? आई का जगह में अपना नाम। I swear the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. I will perform my duties as a minister with devotion and pure conscience, and I will follow the rules and discipline of the school. I will be loyal to the Constitution and law towards all types of people without fear or favor, affection or fault. May God help me in this. Thank you.
Congratulations, council members, not just on earning a title, but on earning trust, the trust of your school, your friends, and your future.
Thank you, student, and thank you, ma'am. Now, it's the time to hand over leadership. Head boy, Mr. Master Ravi Hemron, hands over leadership to the new elected Culture Minister, Prince Mathur. Band, please. Class 4 student. Class 4 student, ready for your song. Class 4. Hindi patriotic song.
थैंक यू बच्चों।
Now we are about to end this program. Congratulations, not just an earning a title, but earning trust, the trust of your school, your friend, and your future. I call upon head boy Ravi Hemron, please come and deliver speech.
Good morning to all of you, honorable chief guest, respected principal, ma'am, teachers, parents, and my beloved friends and my juniors. Today I may fall short of words to express my gratitude for the opportunity I have received to be the head boy of Ashish Memorial School, Ranchi. It is an honor for me to serve this institution. I promise to fulfill all my duties and responsibilities with sincerity and dedication. A school becomes a true temple of learning only when students, guardians, and society work together in harmony, creating an nurturing environment for education and sadhana. It should be a place where the spring of punctuality, sensitivity, and thirst for knowledge flows freely. Being the head boy, I consider myself fortunate to have been given such a great opportunity to hold the flag of Ashish Memorial School high. This campus has always supported its students in discovering the true meaning of life and in achieving success. School is the best place for students as it provides the foundation for their future and the platform to excel. Standing at this proud moment in my life, I would like to thank my parents, my principal, and all my teachers for having faith in me. I assure you that I will be a good leader and give my 100% effort to raise the flag of our school to the highest level. As John Adams once said, if you action and words inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are a leader. Thank you.
Thank you, Master Ravi Hemron, the head boy of the school. Now, I call upon head girl, Miss Afsa Fatima, to deliver your word.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Afsa Fatima from class 5, elected as the head girl of Ashish Memorial School for the season 2025-26. Being the head girl comes with a lot of responsibilities. Today I have the most valuable thing in the world, the trust of my fellow students. I promise to live up to the trust and be sincere to the vision and motto of my school, becoming the head girl. It makes me feel proud, but I swear you that I will remain responsible in my part always. This is the beginning of a very glorious year ahead. Maintaining school discipline is the will strive to help Principal Madam and the teachers in very possible way. I am committed to being a role model for my fellow students and to making our school year successful and memorable. Thank you. Afza Fatima, Class 5 Edgar. Message 2025-26.
Thank you, Afsa, the head coach of this academic year. Now, I request you to Anamika ma'am, please come and give word for thanks. Anamika ma'am, please come.
Very good afternoon to one and all present here. It is my pleasure to be a part of this celebration. As we wrap up this event on behalf of our organization team, I would like to extend my gratitude to all. First, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Rajlakshmi Mishra, for accepting our invitation and joining us on this special occasion. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing us with your presence despite your busy schedule. Your inspiring words have been life guiding, life reminding us of the true essence of this occasion. We greatly appreciate your time and warmth, making this celebration truly exceptional and unforgettable. A heartfelt thanks to our respected principal, Mrs. Lovely Jones, for your guidance and support. Your leadership made this event possible, and we are truly grateful for your unwavering support. I would also like to thank our teaching and non-teaching staff for guiding and encouraging us as always. My deepest appreciation to our incredible organization and volunteers for their hard work and dedication. Your effort made this celebration truly remarkable. A heartfelt thank you to our amazing performers to bringing energy and creativity to this event. Your performance never made it truly unforgettable. Finally, heartfelt thank you to our audience and participate. Your involvement has made this event truly meaningful. Thank you all for joining us today and making this celebration a memorable and successful event. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anamika ma'am. Most thankful to our honorable chief guest, Mr. Rajlakshmi ma'am. Now, this is the time for national anthem. So we all On behalf of Ashish Memorial School family, I would like to
From behalf of Ashish Memorial School family, we would like to hand over a small gift to Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Rajlakshmi Misra. Please, ma'am, come forward.
and please clap your hands. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable time. I want to request all to please stand on your feet for the national anthem. Please all stand up.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।